Welcome back to Bennett Gaming. I know it's been a long time, I'm so sorry, but we have quite a different video for today. And we are listening to the scariest alarm emergency broadcast system. So you know how in USA when like if something is happening it's like wah, wah. The government has detected a earthquake happening nearby you. Get shelter, so something like that, right? So we're going to listen to that for every country, and personally, I'm going to be reacting to it. So there's going to be 1, the least scariest, and 99, the most scariest in between. Yeah. Okay, let's get to the video. And this was not made by me. Hold on. Belgium. Belgium's interesting. Look at that. Like, what is that? What is that? What? I'm hearing Among Us for some reason. Do you guys hear it? That's kind of like it, you know? Like emergency meeting. That got a beat right there. I mean, I guess that's in Chinese, so I can't be saying much. That should be a number 1. Imagine there's an earthquake nearby and say, that noise. Like, that's not scary at all. There's like a spaceship nearby. Oh my God, Mexico, what are we doing? This is like the U.S. This is like the U.S. tornado system. Canada, I thought we were peaceful. I thought we were peaceful. I really thought we were peaceful here. And you got that. Like, look at Japan. Japan. Look at Japan. See, that's like nice. Nothing scary. And then you're just like that. That's like a unknown entity screaming at you. I mean, it's not too bad. It's kind of annoying though. It's not too bad. It's not too bad. Oh no. I'm getting the Five Nights at Freddy's vibe right there. That is very uncomfortable. That is actually insanely scary. Brazil. Those sirens look very scary, but otherwise, nothing's bad about it. Chile? Just what is that? I mean, it's okay, but like, what? Oh my God, is there like a raid coming? Sweden? Okay, fine, I'll deal. It's okay. Norway is scary. I mean, Romania. Romania. What are we doing? Oh yeah, wait, this is like music though. Listen to that beat. I'm not doing like a copyright beat, but just try to think of a beat. It's a good beat. That should be at like 19. That's not 52. Lithuania, what are we doing? That gotta be a 99. That's not 54. I mean, it's kind of normal. I don't know. That's not scary. Is there a nuclear power plant blowing up there often? Like, this is nothing normal. Nothing normal right here. I don't think there's anything bad. Yeah, it's okay. I mean, nothing much. Guys, what are we doing with this number? I don't like that, though. Yeah, no wonder that's at 71. That's scary. That's kind of scary. Oh, that is insanely scary. I do not like Estonia. Never mind. There's kind of like a drum kick at the... Not Croatia, not Bulgaria, but... It's not this. Estonia. It's scary, but like good. North Korea, what are we doing? First of all, why so many obvious sirens? And second of all, just why that? Like, why? Guys, are we not talking about what this is? Missile fly over Taiwan. Air raid alert. That is scary. This is not... I don't think this is like an alert. This is more like a TV broadcast alert. It sounds like CNN opening, kind of, no? It's like a normal emergency alert lagging. What I'm used to. See, it's not that scary. Russia, that is insanely scary. And what is that image in the background? That's scary. That's crazy. I love this. 91? You mean 1? Nothing scary about that. I want to live in India now. Okay, now I don't want to live in Finland. Okay, let me tell you something. I thought Finland was nice and peaceful, safe it is, but these alarms look weird. And it just sounds awful. It's not too bad. South Africa. That sounds like somebody's just calling you over and over. Guys, what are we doing? I mean, based on the past few years, you need something really loud to detect air raids, so it's pretty scary, but, you know. That is scary.
Thanks for watching today's video. If you enjoyed
that's it. Guys, India was not that scary. Personally, there was a lot of scary things in that were like not that high ranked. But Estonia, it was like that beat. Okay, well guys, I think that's it for today. And by the way, for 8-year-olds or people just young watching this isn't real, okay? Bye. Have a great day.